Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, if you want to learn to make an air punch like this, I don't have an animation, but you also play an animation, then continue watching this video. So let's get into the video. Alright, so to start with this tutorial, with this like magic air thing, you want to put a folder inside of starter player scripts, and you want to name that air bending. Now basically what we're doing, this is a series where we will have a bunch of different powers. So we'll have an air punch, which is this video, an air kick, and we'll have some more, I don't remember which. We'll have like an air scooter from the Avatar the Last Airbender, and we will also have like a really cool air jump, and some more. So to start, we'll add a folder into starter player scripts, and we'll name that air bending. We could add a local script into there, and we can start typing on that local script. So what we will start off with making some services. So we want to do local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage, and then we want to do local user input service equals game get service user input service. So user input service. So now we can also do some variables, which basically, if you don't know what a variable is, it's basically a shortcut. So basically, let's say I want to do game.players. So instead of doing let's say I want to get a local player, so then I would have to do game.players.local player. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna do local PLR. So local player equals game.players.local player. So now I only need to type PLR. So PLR dot whatever I want to do. So we'll do local PLR, then we'll also do local character equals PLR dot character, or PLR dot character added weight. Now we could do local remote equals we'll get back to this part because we still didn't add the remote function. So now we want to do local mouse equals PLR get mouse. So now we can do local delayed equals false, and then we could do local spawn time equals 1. So I'll explain all this like as the video goes on, but right now I'm just gonna type it. So now we'll also do some settings. So we'll do local debounce equals true, then we'll do local key equals F. So this is going to be the keybind that you click to activate it. So now we want to do user input service dot input began connect function, and then we want to put inside of this function brackets, we want to do input, and then we want to do is typing. Okay, so now we can continue with do if delayed, then return. Then we want to keep one of the ends there, and then we want to do delayed equals true, and then we want to do spawn function, and then we will do wait spawn time. So I will explain all this after. I just want to type it quickly. And then we will want to do delayed. I'm not in a rush, like I don't have to type it quickly, but I'm just in the mood of typing a script right now, or the script. So now we will want to add an end over here, because we should get an end from this function. So yeah, an end there, and then keep that end there. So now we will do if is typing, then return, and then we could add another end over here, and then we can do local key pressed equals input dot keycode. So now we can do do if key pressed equals enum dot key code key and debounce and character, then remote fire server mouse dot hit. So we're not done. Just want to remind you, we are not done with this script yet, but I'm working on it. So mouse dot hit. So now we want to do local errors local errors and success equals pcall function, and then we will do wait, or no, then we will do repeat, and then we will do wait over here, and then we would do until game.workspace find first child plr.name. And now we could also organize these a bit. So this should have a line thingy over there, bracket, and so this is almost the script done. We just have to add some more things. So now we can add a folder into replicated storage. We can name this folder air bending again, and now we want to add a remote event into it, and you want to call the remote event air punch event. So now over here, if we go back to the script, we will do local remote equals game.replicatedStorage.airbending.airPunch event. So that being done, this script should technically be done, and we can move on to the next script. So basically, to explain it quickly, here we have a bunch of variables and services and settings and stuff. So this spawn time is basically going to be how quickly you could do it. So like every second you could spawn it basically, or do the power. And then here's the key. Debounce basically means like debounce is basically a spam thing. Best way I could explain it, because it's like it checks if you click your key 2 times within a second or something, and it only registers one of them. And then over here is like the entire key bind area. So this is this script done. I will explain everything at the end. I just want to kind of finish this. So now we will continue on with the next script. Alright, so now you can add a folder into replicated storage. Again, you can name this airbending, because this is where we will put all of the other attacks. Now we could add a script into here. We can name this air punch, which we could also do with this script, down with this local script over here, air punch. But now we'll start scripting this one. So we will go with services again, services. So we'll do local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage, just like before. And now we want to do local debris equals game get service debris. My voice is gone. So now we want to add some more variables, and now we will do local remote equals replicated storage dot airbending dot air punch event. Which actually, you want to go back to this script, to the local script, and right over here, this local remote in line 8. Actually, never mind, I did that correctly. I thought I did that wrong, something wrong there. But now we could do local fireball, it's basically the air ball, whatever. I just named it fireball while writing it because it's like a fireball, but whatever. So I will do replicated storage dot airbending dot air punch. So now we will get up to that. So basically, this effect isn't mine, but you basically want to have a part. You want to have it. You don't want it anchored. You want can collide off, and you want it invisible. And then you want to basically add your effect. So this is going to be the fireball that you're shooting, or not the fireball. This is going to be what you're shooting, basically. So this is going to be what you're shooting. You could customize it however you want. But then when you're done, just name it air punch and put it inside of the air bending folder inside of replicated storage. So now back here, we could continue on with settings, which is just local damage equals 10. I'm gonna do, and then we'll do local server debounces equals this. Alright, so now we'll do remote dot on server event connect function. Now we want to add some things over here, so we'll do PLR and we'll do mouse. So now we'll do if not server debounces PLR, then server debounces PLR equals true. So now we'll do local character equals PLR dot character or PLR dot character added wait. So as I said, I'm gonna explain all the scripts at the end of this video. It's just I just want to get this done because I need to record a lot of videos, so I just want to go quickly. So I think my videos that I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna record them, and then at the end I'm gonna explain it, and yeah, so that's how I'm gonna do that. So now we'll do local character. Now we'll do local fireball clone equals fireball, and then you want to do clone. So now we can do fireball clone dot cframe, or no, fireball clone dot cframe equals character dot humanoid root part dot cframe cframe dot new 0 0, and then we'll do -3. Oops, I did not want a space here. And now we could do now we could do fireball clone dot parent equals workspace, or you could do game dot workspace or workspace. I'm just gonna do workspace. And now we can do local body velocity equals instance dot new body velocity. Now we could do body velocity dot max force equals vector 3 dot new. Now we'll do math dot huge, then we'll do math dot huge, so basically just give it a big number, and then we'll do math dot huge again, not ABS huge, or not ABS, what was that? I forgot. I'm sorry guys, it's pretty late at night. So now we will do body velocity dot velocity equals mouse dot look vector, so basically it shoots wherever you're pointing your mouse. Now we'll do body velocity dot parent equals fireball clone. Alright, nice. So now we can continue on with spawn function, and we will do for I equals 75 1000 do for I. Okay, so now we'll do wait, we'll just add a wait, and then we'll do fireball clone dot size equals fireball clone dot size plus vector 3 dot new 0.07, and then we'll have 0.07 and 0.07. So now we can do body velocity. So let me just see. Yep, there we go. Body velocity dot velocity equals mouse dot look vector I. Alright, so now we can do server debris. Sorry. We want server debounces PLR. Then we want to do equals false, and then we want to do debris. Debris add item fireball clone, and then we'll do 10. So now we can do local debounce equals true, fireball clone dot touched connect function, and then we'll do h. Then we'll do if h dot parent find first child humanoid, and h dot parent dot name equals plr dot name, and debounce what? Debounce? Why is it not popping up? Debounce, there we go. Debounce. Then we want to do debounce equals false, and then we want to do local enemy equals h dot parent dot humanoid, and then we want to do enemy take damage, then we'll do damage, then we'll do weight 0.25. Whoops, that is capitalized. So weight 0.25, and then we'll do enemy take damage. We'll do 3. Whoops, we'll do 3, and then we'll do enemy. Oh, looks like the video cut out, but basically what I did is I did weight 0.25 here, and then enemy take damage here. I basically just did this. This is all. So I'll do this equals 1. So hopefully you could catch up. There we go. It's only like 3 lines of code, like a few words. Then we'll do body velocity destroy. My voice is gone now. And then we want to do fireball clone dot effect dot speed equals number range dot new, and then we'll do 8, and then we can do weight 1, and then fireball clone dot effect dot enabled equals false. Then we'll do weight 1 again. Then we'll do fireball clone destroy, and then we'll do weight. We'll do weight 3, and then we'll do debounce equals true. So we want this end to be like this, and I think this should be the script done. Alright, so that is this script done, but in part 2 I'm going to finish the last script. So right now, if you're watching this when the video is uploaded, the day it's uploaded, this is going to be uploaded on Sunday. Part 2 is coming out on Tuesday. So Tuesday part 2 is going to come out, and the script will be done. So what we did, just a quick run over. We added a folder into replicated storage, named that airbending. We added a folder into server script service, named that airbending. Then we added a folder inside of starter player scripts and named that airbending. So inside of each folder, inside of the replicated storage folder, we put a remote event. We named that air punch event. And then we also added a part, which is basically the effect that we're launching. The part itself is transparent, unanchored, and can collide disabled. And then inside the script in server script service, we added a script, which this is the script right here. So yeah, this is that script. Here it is. You could pause and write it. And then inside of starter player scripts, the folder in there, we added a local script, which is this one right here. Now I just want to remind you, this will not work. It is not complete. So the next video will come out 2 days after this, aka Tuesday. This is being uploaded on Sunday. So yeah, thank you for watching. Part 2 should come out soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.